Medical dramas on TV give us a glimpse of what it's like to work in the emergency department. But here at Stanford's ED, there is no Hollywood set, and there are no second takes.
As you can see, we have some new faces with us this morning. Welcome to the Pitt.
Welcome to Stanford's real-life version of the Pitt.
So what do you think about the Pitt? Why do you think the Pitt is such a phenomenon?
It does a great job of depicting these really high leverage and intense moments within the emergency department. People really care about other people, and I think they see these moments of excitement and these experiences that most of them have had. At some point, they brought their loved one in. They've been in a moment of crisis. They've wondered what's happening to that person on the street who went down. I think they're intrigued by that, and I think that they want to see what our health system and what our communities are doing to take care of them. It takes real things that are going on and it compresses them into short time frames. Something we might experience over months or maybe even a year gets compressed into a day or a couple of episodes.
And are they getting it right?
They're getting it right. Joe Sachs, who's one of the key writers on it, was a medical consultant and writer for ER and now for the Pitt, is a Stanford graduate from the School of Medicine. Not surprising, right? Because Stanford students do all kinds of amazing things.
Why did you go into emergency medicine?
I really wanted to be able to just take care of anyone with anything at any time when they were in their moment of need. And that led me to emergency medicine, and it actually led me to Stanford because Stanford has that commitment.
What does it take to work in the ED?
It is extremely stressful to work here. But I think we have this team commitment to doing what is necessary to take care of anyone who walks or rolls through that door. And I think that really helps with what people often call the moral injury of working in an emergency department. And so although it is really difficult, it is really stressful, as a team we kind of share that stress together, and I think that helps a lot.
Why don't you look in the mirror? What's that supposed to mean?
You see a lot of infighting in the Pitt. That's entertainment, that's TV drama. How is it different here at Stanford?
We're much more team-based in our actual care.
So you're working together instead of against each other?
That's right, we're working together. One of the things that's really special about Stanford is its commitment to the community. A lot of places, the emergency department is like an extra appendage that they don't want in the health system. But here, it's central to mission to care for the people and its community.
What kind of pride do you have knowing that you're on the front lines?
When you're in that moment of crisis and you kind of just want anyone to reach out to you and say hey, we care about you, we care about your child, we're gonna do whatever we can to help you. That's a moment that it's very hard to replicate, and it's very special. And you just don't get that doing anything else.